Dear students of class 10, I heartily welcome you to watch this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the more important questions, that is MCQ questions of the chapter acids, bases and the salts. Question number 1. Which of the following indicators get turned into red color in acidic medium? First you watch these two diagrams. Here, the blue litmus paper dipped into a acidic medium, it turns into the red color. In the same way, when we add the methyl orange to the acid, this also converts into the red color. That means the blue litmus paper and the methyl orange gets red color in the acidic medium. So now the right option it is, that is the option B. Blue litmus paper and methyl orange, they turn into the red color. Question number 2. Which of the following is an example for an olfactory indicator? We know that olfactory means it is based on the smelling. So out of these four indicators like litmus paper, phenolphthalein, methyl orange and clove oil. So this clove oil it is used to detect whether the given solution is acidic or basic by detecting the smell. So for this question, the right answer is the clove oil. Third question is, which of the following gas is liberated when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with the zinc granules? So you can notice here, generally whenever the metals react with the dilute acids, generally hydrogen gas is liberated. When this gas can be tested by using the burning candle, we will get a pop sound. So for this question, out of these four options like nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen and oxygen, the right answer is the option C, hydrogen. Question number 4. Which of the following solution produces H plus ions? Dear students, we know that usually the acids produces the H plus ions in the aqueous state. So out of these four options like HCl, NaOH, NaCl and calcium carbonate. So out of these four options, the acid is, that is the hydrochloric acid, option A. So this will produce the H plus ions in the aqueous condition. So the answer is, that is option A, hydrochloric acid. Question number 5. Which gas is liberated when limestone reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid? Dear students, here limestone means the limestone is made up of the calcium carbonate. Not only the limestone, it may be the piece of chalk, or it may be the marble, or it may be the shell of the chick. So those are all made up of the calcium carbonate. So usually when carbonates are reacts with the dilute acids, definitely we will get an acid, that is the carbon dioxide. Here you can find the bubbles of the carbon dioxide liberated when hydrochloric acid reacts with this limestone. So answer B is the right answer. Question number 6. The reaction between an acid and a base is called. So this is very simple and the direct question. It's very clear. That is the neutralization reaction. Option C is the right answer for this question. Question number 7. When metallic oxides dissolve in water, they show the property of dash. Acids, bases, salt and the neutral. First you notice here an example. This is the magnesium oxide and this is water. Whenever the magnesium oxide reacts with the water, it produces the magnesium hydroxide, which is a base. That means generally when metallic oxides react with water, they produce the bases. So out of these four options, option B is the right answer, that is bases. Question number 8. Which of the following oxide produces acid with water? Options: calcium oxide, sodium oxide, magnesium oxide and sulfur dioxide. Dear students, usually we will get the acids when the non-metallic oxides reacts with water. I am repeating, generally whenever the non-metallic oxides reacts with the water, we will get the acids. So out of these four options, let's come to the CaO. It is a metallic oxide. Sodium oxide, this is also a metallic oxide. Magnesium oxide, this is also a metallic oxide. And if you come to the sulfur dioxide, this is an example for the non-metallic oxide. So when sulfur dioxide reacts with the water, generally we get the acidic solution. So for this question, option D is the right answer. Question number 9. Which of the following solution conducts electricity? So option A, glucose solution. It is an organic solution. It doesn't produce the ions. If you come to the option C, alcohol, this is also an organic solution. This is also does not produce the ions. If you come to the pure water, this pure water also does not produce the ions. So here option B, this is the salt solution. So this salt solution can conduct electricity because this salt solution produces the ions in the aqueous condition. So out of four of these options, salt solution can produce the ions and it can conduct the electricity. Therefore, the right answer is the option B, salt solution. Question number 10. Dry HCl gas is passed over dry blue litmus paper and dry red litmus paper. The change you noticed is option A, blue litmus paper turns into red. Option B, red litmus turns into the blue. Option C, both litmus papers get change their color. Option D, no change in color of both the litmus papers. Dear students, in the absence of water, that means dry means in the absence of water, this hydrochloric acid does not produce the H plus ions or the hydronium ions. So if there is no hydronium ion, this HCl does not show the acidic property. That means in the absence of water, HCl doesn't show its acidic nature. So that's why out of four options, the right answer is there is no change in color of both litmus paper. So option D is the right answer because there were no ions are formed. It is neither acidic nor basic. So option D is the right answer. Question number 11. The suitable method of diluting an acid. Option A, gently adding water to acid. Option B, gently adding an acid to water. Option C, simultaneously adding both water and acid. Option D, any method of the above. Dear student, you notice here this is an image. First we have taken the water in the glass beaker and now we are adding the acid drop by drop into the water following the stirring. So because this is the safest method of diluting an acid because this process is usually an exothermic reaction. So the right method is adding the acids gradually, slowly into the water. This is the right method. That's why option B, gently adding the acid to the water, it is the correct answer. Question number 12. The pH values of solutions A, B, C and D are 6, 8, 4 and 10 respectively. Which solution is more acidic? Dear students, we know that if the pH value is least, the acidic nature is more. That's why out of four values like 6, 8, 4 and 10, the least number is the 4. That means the solution C, it is having the pH value 4. If the value is less, the acidic nature is more. That's why option C, whose pH value is 4, that is more acidic in nature. That's why option C is the right answer. Question number 13. pH paper is placed in a solution containing gastric juice. The pH paper gets changed into which color? Dear students, first we have to identify Gastric juice. Dear students, here gastric juice means nothing but the hydrochloric acid. As we know that hydrochloric acid, it is a strong acid. That means its pH value is almost 2. So now you observe the pH paper. So this is the pH value 2. It may be the hydrochloric acid which is present in the gastric juice. Its color, it is almost red in color. So out of 4 these options, the red color, it is the more appropriate. That's why option B is the right answer. Question number 14. Toothpaste can prevent tooth decay because toothpastes are dash acidic in nature, basic in nature, neutral in nature, and toxic in nature. Dear students, tooth decay is caused by the secretion of the acid in the mouth. So that acid must be neutralized by using the paste. That's why usually the pastes are basic in nature, which can neutralize the acid which is secreted in our mouth and which can prevent the tooth decay. That's why the right answer is toothpastes are basic in nature. Option B is the right answer. Question number 15. The sting of honeybee contains which acid? Options: citric acid, methanoic or formic acid, oxalic acid, and tartaric acid. Dear students, usually the sting of honeybee or the wasp or the leaves of the nettle plants usually contain the formic acid or the methanoic acid, which can cause us irritation to our skin. That's why option B is the right answer. Dear students, these are all the some important questions of the chapter acids, bases and the salts. In the next video, we are going to discuss very important questions of the chapter metals and non-metals. Thank you for watching this video.